Hey, it's Crystal with the Abundantly Blessed Homestead. Remember like a week ago when I put out the video about how to calculate percent protein in your feed and the importance of doing that in case there's a shortage? Well, today, due to supply chain issues, I am reformulating my feed again. So I thought I'd bring you guys along. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to talk about the new feed recipe. But first I thought it might be a little bit helpful to take a few minutes and just talk about the equipment that I use almost every day to be able to make our own feed and feed it to our animals. Okay, so the first thing I would say are plenty of buckets, heavy-duty buckets, obviously. Also, we store all of our feed in metal trash cans. Another, there's a fight going on back there. Another thing that's really, really important in order to get things just right is a nice scale. Now, I bought this one off of eBay. I have no idea how to calculate it so it is, or adjust it so that it calculates out the poundage right. But I figured out that everything is, like if it was supposed to be a 20-pound bag, you divide it by 2.19 for some reason, and it comes out right every single time. So anyway, some sort of scale that you can either figure out how to calibrate it, or a nice scale, or just wing it like I do. But anyway, that's essential. And then also a grain grinder. This one is from Tractor Supply. It is under $300. It is the AMA brand. And the gist is you put your whole grains in here, you turn it on, and your ground up grains go on the bottom. And then you can dump it into whatever container you're going to store your feed in. This is crucial for obviously like the chick stage, young chicks, so you could actually take your layer feed if you wanted to and grind it out for your chick. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and record me doing a basic process of mixing my grains, and then we'll get to the recipe in a second. you got to watch it. That's how easy it is. I don't know if I'm going to speed that up or not. I might. We'll see. So let's get around to the switcheroo on the recipe. The geese have found us now. Shoo shoo. All right. Come on, out. Go, 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 go. You guys are too loud. Shoo. Okay, so the switcheroo is this. We've got wheat. Okay, we've got wheat, 40 pounds. We've got barley at 30 pounds. We've got peas at just 15 pounds, and the new addition is black oiled sunflower seeds. Wow, thank you, chicken. That was epic. Anyway, this is how a video turns out when you're surrounded by 50 chickens and multiple geese. Anyway, so I don't sell my eggs during the late fall and winter period because there's not enough anyway. The rest of the year I would not be feeding black oiled sunflower seeds because, well, I market my eggs as organic. So I don't have access to black oiled sunflower seeds that are organic. So in any event, that is my mixture to make 100 pounds. And like I said, I could not get my hands on any flax this month. Azure Standard's having some difficulty in fulfilling orders and filling bags of things like seeds and stuff like that. So anyway, so I just decided to make it easy and just go to the local feed store, which almost everybody has one that has livestock somewhere within driving distance, and get some black oiled sunflower seeds and just replace the flax with that and kind of tweak the numbers so that it still comes out to 16% protein. So that's what I ended up doing. And that's all there is to it. We just measure each grain individually, and I put it in the metal trash can, and then I mix it, and then I do another layer. So that was the time it took to mix 25 pounds of feed. Didn't take that long. And that's all there is to it. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. I really appreciate if you'd like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.